Hello friends, how are you? I hope you are doing great. Welcome to my channel. Today we learn Instagram Shadowban fix this problem. So guys, this is very simple process. Everyone can do it very easily. So don't waste the time and let's get start the video. First we tap on Instagram and tap on profile and tap on three lines of top corner and tap on settings and tap on account and tap on account status, and you can see my account is not Shadowban because I am follow Instagram community guidelines, so I have no Shadowban. So if you have Shadowban on your account, so you have to do one thing. You will follow Instagram community guidelines and delete all the pictures against Instagram community guidelines, and don't any post, any video, any reels against Instagram community guidelines. If you have do this, so you don't face this situation. So I hope you understand better. So guys, I hope you like the video and this video is helpful for you. So please subscribe my channel, like the video and leave the comment in below, and don't forget to press the bell icon for new updates. And thank you so much for watching my video. Take care. Bye bye.